I'm Nadia Dunn from CCL TV. Joining me today at the White Label Expo here at London XL is Ross from Capcoder. Thanks so much for being here today,
No
Ross.
problem.
Now tell us a bit about yourself and Capcoder. What happens there?
So Capcoder is, like I said, fairly small to medium, typical small to medium engineering firm. Been there since 1976. My granddad started it. Rolled off the back of another company called Auxiliary Pneumatics. Very boring. Yeah, we love what we do. We build filling and capping machines. Everything's designed in-house, manufactured in-house, tested in-house. We're just a typical old school engineering firm.
Based in the UK?
Based in Oxfordshire, just below Oxford, a little village called Chalgrove.
And what does coming to an event like this mean to the company?
A lot of work, bit of expense, sleepless nights, getting on with it. It's fine. We need to get out there, get some exposure. We have done the White Label 2-3 times before. It's always been okay. It's not the greatest of shows, but it kind of ticks along, and we always get a few good leads from it, so we're happy. Yeah.
Nice to be back face to face seeing people.
Absolutely, yeah. It's been a long time.
And how has COVID been for you over the last 2 years?
Very, very good, thank you. It's been exceptional, actually. In all honesty, I hate to say it, but we did a lot of hand sanitizer machines. We have done a lot of PCR testing machines. So, the little vials, obviously we make the machines that put the liquid in there, screw the cap on. We've done a lot of it. So, yeah, as much as I hate to say it, we've done very well off the back of COVID.
Wow.
It's quieter now.
Yeah, as things are going back to normal, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, so have there been any challenges with that, though?
What to do with all the money? No, that's a joke.
What do I spend my money on today?
That is a joke. That is very much a joke. Well, massive challenge trying to get parts in at the minute. So, obviously, the world is different now. Anything from Germany is obviously the EU thing. You can't get motors and gearboxes. It's a bit of a problem, actually, yeah.
And tell us about that. Is it Brexit, COVID, obviously all of those?
It's a big mangled mush of all of it, I think. It's just kind of like the perfect storm, almost. But yeah, it is a problem at the minute, getting parts in from abroad.
And does Capcoder use digital marketing to expand the company, to grow, to see what your competitors are doing?
It's a boring industry. It's not like kids using Facebook all the time. It's your LinkedIn people. It's the digital marketing side. We use AdWords, I suppose, as digital marketing. We're not heavy on marketing, I'll be honest. Right. As you can probably tell.
And what do you think about CCL TV being here at the event?
Absolutely fantastic. Honestly blown away. You guys have been so good. We love it.
We've paid him to say this, you can tell.
No! Nobody has paid me anything, I promise. Me, on own words.
And thanks for joining us on CCL TV. You've been a pleasure.